Ah, hello students, we conduct today an activity of sentence structure. The learners easily structure the sentence. How could be easiest for the students and learners concerned? Here is a beautiful activity set by here in this. Today we are taking activity name sentence completion, means to here to complete the sentence. After the completion of the sentence, students should know and they made sentences by himself. So here are the activities process. We can see here there are many kinds of scripts are here. The first strip is a man is, there is picture. Students should conceptually learn the name of this picture. What is this picture? And here are some words. We would be match these words on the picture. Where is Aman is counting? Where is counting? Rok do.